What is up guys, BeardedReality here. So today we're in Knutsford with Para Perspective and we're going to be exploring the Knutsford milking farm. This place looks absolutely gigantic. It's pretty chill to be fair, so it should be an interesting explore. Do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I think we're just going to go straight into the main buildings and see how this goes. The place seems to be a derelict for quite a while, so we'll see what there is. I love old stables. I've been doing a lot of stables and things lately. But I've not done a milking farm yet, so... Well, how does it open? God, you have a go.
No.
Okay, then fair enough. What's inside it? So obviously this is the where there's like a chicken coop kind of thing there. We'll see what's left behind.
Yeah, milking bits on it.
I go there. I mean, to be fair, the property is quite extensive. It is pretty big, so it'll definitely be interesting to see what's about in the area. You know me, I'm always looking for a paper or two. Thought it was like a little horse whip then. Like a little netting. But yeah, like, I don't know if you guys know, but at the moment I've got a right obsession with the farms. I'm loving the farms. I think they are my favourite explorers at the moment.
Pigeons.
Hello, Mr. Pigeons. See, that's one thing I do love, all the old hay. It's like random.
Yeah.
You keep seeing stuff like that and you're like, eh? There's obviously some random bottles in there as well. Obviously, Pigeon City. See, this is one of the older farms anyway, because I can't remember what it was said, but if it's made out of stuff made out of metal, it's one of the new ones. If it's old stone and stuff, it's older. These little creepy. It's got a floor above it. There's a floor above it.
Oh, is that?
Yeah. So we'll have to see how we get into there. Oh wow, look at this. I feel like baling hay or something. Here we go. Yeah, so look, it's the old stone ones. There's an old file there as well. So this like farm's a lot older than some of the newest ones now, because they changed all the metal. It is a bright and sunny, beautiful day, so I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's go check out the other warehouses before we do these random outbuildings. Ah, sweet, straight in. But yeah, I like the older farms like these, man. Not so much at night. They're pretty creepy at night. Kind of reminds me of like a key hook thing.
Yeah.
Where you'd hand your keys or
someone's
something.
just gone at it with a nail gun.
Well, no, well, actually, look, there you go. There's some keys.
Oh. Oh yeah.
I'm still correct at 8. Like a makeshift key thing. Well, this is what you want to see. This is fresh. This is nice.
Oh yeah.
This is where Daisy the cow would come and chill. Pretty though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's some nice shots in here later. I have found something here. BioBind Safe Farm Mix. Product code for your food. What's the old workers count there? That's actually, this one's pretty clean. What's that? Don't tell me that goes up a cow. I've got some kind of toolbox here. Old screws, little bits. Oh, it's like a top heavy one. A little chest of drawers thing. It says bully, butty, floor, some quite old chalk graffiti here.
They look like they'd be quite comfortable to sit in, those feeders or whatever.
Yeah, it's fair.
They're bomb shaped.
Yeah, pretty chill. No entry, we love the no entry signs.
What is this? They've got this plastered.
It'll be a sign, security sign, it'll be somebody being weird. You got your Jennifer. Look at the helmet. Oh, helmet on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
Saying that there.
Plug it back in.
That's what I was going to say, yeah. Get in there. Oh! Let there be light. The sun's going to make some nice shots there. Oh, hello, calves. That's part of the original farm, it's not added on. That's cool. And we've got some little jigs that you'd stick in and point. I like that. Gosh, kids. Like an old makeup thing. It's gotta come from the main property though. Pencil case, some pills there. What are the pills? Sonics. What's that? Hay fever tablets, that's not. Oh! Blood vials. Things. That's gotta be from the main bit. There's loads of them over there. Yeah, what's under here? Actually, there's stuff under here as well. So these are what the I think the cows were tagged with actually on their ears.
Oh yeah.
And then you've got loads of these, even little teeny weeny ones. So these are for injections and taking bloods. Then. Give me a hand with this a minute. Just lift it slightly. Yeah, you good? Yeah. Some other stuff, see. Old tools. And the summit.
Oh, a lamp.
It's old there. So, Ashley Walls auctioneers. Oh, auction off the calves. I think, and there you go, look, some old medicine and old bottles for the injections as well. There's actually quite a few things. There's one of the old big syringes with the needle still intact, not been used.
Wow.
What else we got? Yeah, it's big though as well, so that's a juicy one.
Ugh.
See?
Ugh.
It might have been slightly used. It's a juicy needle. Carry on. Alright, so look what's down here then. So you'd have the cows stored in here as well. Big gate, look. But the gate don't fit. Unless that bit, no, I don't even know how that would work. Unless they just, no, I don't even know. I just do not even know. And again, just another empty room with somebody eating some beautiful refrigerators. Do you want a coffee? That's got to be the main house. Yeah, to the property, so we'll be doing that soon. Give it a little push. It's separated.
Oh, nothing in there.
Is there not all?
No hidden treasures.
Let's leave that be there. Right, so this is the main property, part of Knutsford Farm. Oh, I love that. Look at that. This is still not part of the main thing yet though, so obviously we've got some old chains and things. Fairy up washing liquid. I did not say that in the right way, but whatever. Oh, glovey, look. Oh, Pathfinder, some Robus scrub, I don't know. So there's still plenty to this place, which is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Floor in there. Flooring.
Yeah.
The lining in it. Pure. Ah! So yeah, the place is pretty big. I love this though. Like, this is the kind of thing I love to see. Is these old trees and vines growing through. A lot of smashed glass there. I'm gonna keep going around this way. Do the house last. But you can see, obviously, how busy this farm must have been at some point, and just how big it is. Obviously, somebody's been working on the area as well. Trees have been chopped in certain bits, so this might not be around for much longer. Now, I'm pretty sure this is the one with the fire, but I'm not entirely sure either. Pretty now. I think we're going to end up doing some pretty locations today. Could be a security thing, 'cause it's the second one I've seen there, but...
It's about a third or fourth.
Guys, it's fucking huge. Wow. Look at this. God, it's Farmer Beard Day. Just imagine like this place was packed full of cows. They've cleared some of it out now. Decades old shit and stuff, but... Uh-huh. What's that? Oh no, this is where they get cut or something. I've seen these in like those cow films. Because that's what I do in my spare time, guys. I just watch films about cows. So I'm pretty much an expert. I thought that was like an ear thing then.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
See, cows would run in, and this is where they'd be milked. This is where you'd be milked. Right, I'm going to attach this to my shelf and we'll see if it still works. These are my shuckers. Damn. 4 nipples, 4 udders. Crazy. So how many is that? Obviously they had a few more sections, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe about 10 cows in at once.
Yeah.
Definitely cool now. I'm going to the dairy farm. Oh, what's that? Needles.
Oh, more needles.
More different ones now. But these will be for the calves. If
Drops.
put them in the mouths and stuff.
Yeah.
There's this one as well, look. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, look at that. Just hidden slightly underway there.
Egg. I think it's a wooden egg, but egg still.
No, it's an egg.
An actual egg?
Yeah, I just cracked it.
Oh!
I didn't realise, I thought it was a wooden one, I was just going to tie it out, but that was an egg. Okay. Full wood cup here. Ah, it's just a plain boring cup, no images. Oh, actually, saying that though, another medicine bottle. Technovit. For hooves and claws, I've got. Hooves and claws.
Floppy disk, keyboard.
Yeah, you got your needle things, you've got your old ball things. What's that? That's it's made in Germany. A lot of the medicine actually comes from Germany. There you go. Best practices to prevent medicine residues in milk. We've got Diapolis. Actually, a lot. Did you see this? This is the old needle bits. Look.
Oh, there's a massive syringe here.
Yeah, but you got like a box of quality treatments, and then you've got here is.
Like it's still got something in it. Yeah.
But here, look. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's how they inject you.
Oh. Where they have gone.
Yeah. But all these are all medicine bottles, so you've got just lists and lists of them. I'm surprised that this sort of stuff's still here. Just chilling in a big tub. Decotting some milking machine engineers. I reckon it's still.
Is that like handcuffs for cows?
Could be. Yeah, I was on about this. Look.
Oh wow.
What's that?
Like a
Battery.
yeah, but I'm not sure. Oh, the detail on the doors.
Do us a favour, you just hold that a second.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for the rummage. I'm gonna go for rummage. Right, let's see. Definitely put it on the separate eyes. That can't be a syringe.
Oh my god.
I'm determined to see what's in this. You got floppy disks, you got, what's that? That's something. More medicine bottles. A golf club. There is stuff in here though. Oh wow, here we go. Floppy disks. Needles galore. Some chocolate. Wires. Yeah, there you go, look. What's that? Heat mount detected.
Okay.
I'm gonna move all these, like, because it's stuck. Like, all these bags.
Oh. Not a well kept drawer.
And then, well, some definitely rat droppings there. It's always delicious to see. Is that a bandage? Old bandage for a cow. I don't know what that is.
It looks like a filter or something.
And obviously more guns. That's the first aid kit.
Oh,
With little shaving scissors still inside. Back down there you got more of those little cow piercing guns. There's the monitors, big syringes.
Nice bit of detail on them.
Well, that's pretty nice, yeah. That milk.
I don't know what the hell that is.
Have a taste. Yeah, this place is pretty. I'm surprised not more people have done this place. You know, the little flowers growing in. Who's been in the thing about the UK as always? Just Northern, eh? There's the little sensor stickers. It's pretty. So this was boarded up at some point, but it's just been booted down, hasn't it? Like full on kick the shit down. Oh, by the way, guys, my language is getting better. I don't swear as much, but you know, I'm still excitable. Have you seen that?
Oh wow.
It's made out of some bamboo stuff.
Yeah.
As the insulation. Love it.
Health and safety.
Oh, that's cute. So we're in some kind of like little kitchen-y. This won't be the main kitchen, it'll just be a little star room because farms have bigger kitchens, as you're about to see. Oh, hello, the kitchen. Oh, there's some milk here, Parry, you can have a bite of if you want.
Oh.
We got here some wind nuts. Somebody stole the sink. Like, I don't get it. It's like, oh yeah, we can use that. I'm gonna take that sink.
This is that retro, cheap kitchen interior thing.
Yeah, but back in the 70s, 80s, that was quite popular though.
Yeah.
What's that? Rotavirus? Coronavirus?
What?
It says it. I'm not even kidding. It says.
I put my gloves on.
It says that, right? It says Cryptosodium, E. coil. Look at that yellow one. Coronavirus.
Oh my god.
And rotavirus for bats and shit. Nice. So we live in a day and age where there was no coronavirus and then apparently it's always been here. I am loving that ceiling. That is pretty. This kitchen's pretty. See, I love little stuff like this where somebody's decorating it and you like. So what they've done is they put little no. Think about how old this is and how places like this get trashed, yeah.
And that's like.
And there's just like random cups and stuff. Even
someone tried walking with the Argo.
Well, that's what I mean. Like,
it's an actual Argo as well.
Yeah, no, it's a proper one. I love Argos. Well, yeah, people have tried to rip out certain like bits of this. That's the. That's
You
the top
need
of
to
it.
compare it to move that.
Well, for some reason they've taken bits off it there, as you do. What's the spoon and what even is that? Is that like some Celtic forest? What? Oh, it's paint. It's Tulux paint. I was looking at it, like just paint with a spoon in it.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Eating.
Oh, this is pretty. This place is pretty fancy. Like, it is a fancy place. Obviously, you've got some damage there to the upper floor. I love curtains and stuff. But like, you're walking through into somewhere like this, you see these curtains, and then you see like that little draped curtain there, which would hide your toilet door for a secret poo. Oh, this is the creepy, you know, that kind of room. Seems like an old store, food storage place. Still part of your kitchen. The design of this place is nice though. Doors are quite modern, they're quite new. The PVC, they're not old wooden doors, which is surprising.
I'm sure all farms have that as the tiling. Seems very familiar.
Yeah, it seems similar to the one. This one's this is the fancy farm actually. The design of it and like the layout is pretty nice. It's old. Definitely an older one. This carpet's old. That's 80s, 90s, 70s. Come on then, here we go. Prophecy, urban, northwest, super, northwest. Don't need 2 stickers, fam. Taffy. Just wasting them. Look at this chair. I reckon an old dead man was once sat in this.
And now you're sat on this ghost.
Sorry, bro. Look at the old certain. Is that a Bible?
And they tried to burn a Bible. Oh dear. I'm not going to hell then.
Is that a lipstick?
Yeah.
What did you do? This is the front. We're going to go into the upstairs bit. Again, it's a fancy place there. Look at the chandelier-y things. It's pretty. It's definitely one of the fancier ones. I mean, don't get me wrong, Ivy Axe Murder House is fancy. Solomon's Middle was fancy, but not as fancy as this one. This is a nice farm. What is that? Some kind of Spanish dupper. Arriba, arriba. There you go. Some lights, some of those lights. I love these kind of windows now. Where you got the old wooden windows, right? Oh, yeah. And you'd open it. You know, imagine you'd open it in the morning, open your old windows. Now, obviously, a really good salesman came and sold them some PVC windows. Because you'd expect this place to have old wooden windows. But it's not. And even though like a lot of it's smashed, like the windows are smashed, it's actually quite warm inside as well. It's quite insulated. So this would be a living room. Again, look at this, fancy. I need this in my house.
Carpet's good. It's built up.
Now this, look.
Oh, the wind shutter thing.
Yeah, I love that, and that's like that's gonna be the thing. That's cool. Look at it growing behind it. Just shutting away. Somebody obviously broke one part of it, but it's so pretty. Your old, really old lights.
Couple of rugs, 3 rugs, no.
That blind. You just feel like, oh, and then you'd lock it for your other thing. That's nice. Right.
Yeah.
And it opens like full on light into the room as well. I wonder.
Yeah.
I'm making myself at home. Old fires. Somebody's had a bit of a go at damaging the tiles on this beautiful fireplace, but it's nice. Is that a poker?
3rd sticker, 4th sticker.
Again, there's no need for it, is there?
Yeah.
I'll have to sticker every ream. Right up.
Oh no, Betty's spaghetti's gone like this.
I know, I was gonna say this. Over there. Again, big, pretty farm. It's not like the farm we went to the other day and it had like "help me" written in blood, but a lot of mould though. Like that hasn't like fared too well. That's the crazy thing when you come to a abandoned place. Imagine you're living somewhere and he's not there for a little bit and it's all mouldy and it's just like this is just pure though. But maybe that's what it is. It's not having people in a place. Another very old, pretty fireplace. You can see where some of the old furniture was. Yo, Para.
Mine's still on.
I can't get it.
Oh. Buttons up everywhere.
Well, there you go. I'm just gonna air out the place. And now it's like I live here.
That fireplace is off centre and it annoys me.
So the light doesn't work. Yeah, this bathroom's pretty nice to be fair. I love that design there. They've ripped out the sink as you usually do. Oh, that's pretty nice. What's this though? Like, that's the thing, it's got like this weird curtain things. It's like some saucy curtain. But it's not. The fact that the shower curtain's installed as well. I could have a shower. Ah, the roof's caved a bit there, look. That's coming down a bit. Electric shower, not a really old one, Trayton. Pretty though. Paper. Found paper. Old paper, let's see. 1994. So actually, that's the first thing. We've got 1994.
That is
That is a snipper.
It's only missing a few of its blocks.
Well, that's what I mean, there's like a few of these things inside the place, so it's pretty... One minute, let me just... I need to get some air in this property. There we go. And now it's light and beautiful. What's that? Oh, yeah.
Oh, bits of the light.
But again, like the actual house is in pretty decent condition. That's an old clock that somebody's drawn.
Oh, I didn't get.
That's creepy. Creepy in a nice way there. Ah, so they hang it on the wall. Surely it used to hang there.
Yeah.
Well, bless. Yeah, it keeps one up. Now the floor was caving in one part, so be careful.
Okay.
Well, hang on, look at that. That's... Yeah, this one. It should be around there. Oh wow, here we go. Old one there, an old little ironing board. But these here, Arctic Circle Crossley, visit the region of Finnish Lapland.
Reindeer driver's license.
Snowmobile driver's license. Reindeer driver's license. What is he's a forest ranger. That's the video, guys. The Knutsford Forest Ranger. That's crazy. Where's that? That's weird. It's got like a curtain for a curtain. But there's nothing there.
It's creepy. Oh.
No, there's nothing there.
Oh, maybe it was just to give some sort of effect for whoever was in here.
King of Scrabble. I'm looking here.
Standard quality street tin.
Oh no, there's some proper stuff here. The Stricken Stream Down Mr. Go. Wait, is that like a board game that they've made? Bless him, that's old. My favourite character's memory. That one. Some snippers, an old toilet, a mirror. Clearly just a little storage area. Wow. So this is a bit more dangerous one, slightly above the... That window's older, so you can see this window's older than the other thing. Ah, for creepy happy times, it's like the Bondy thing.
Yeah.
Got some aftershave there. Or diffuser. See, I hate little rooms like that, they're creepy, man. Hate them. Just expect someone to drag you into it. There we go, 2 Shaw Love and Best Wishes, Mary, one, I don't know, something there. These onto the roof. I mean, yeah, the design of it's pretty nice. Oh, a lot of flies here. They're all trying to escape. I'm surprised all the windows are open there. I mean, I know I've just opened them, but I'm surprised that they can be opened. So guys, that's the end of the video. Really fun explore. Surprised to see some of the stuff that we've actually seen. Especially the medicine and all the other stuff is really interesting. The house is awesome and lovely. So yeah, do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until the next video, peace, 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 I'm out.